Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Pan-fried salmon is on our menu today. Here's what we need to make it. So easy. So easy. Alright, so we need a salmon fillet. Pick the cut of salmon you want, and you're just going to need some seasoned salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. Now, if you want to put some other seasonings on there, black pepper, smoked paprika, you can put something else on there if you like. This is really easy. What you're going to do is you're going to sprinkle some on there. So you're going to sprinkle the amount that you may like. So if you are a person and you like a lot of seasoning, then you're going to heavily season yours. But if not, if you're going to put a sauce on this, then you're going to lightly season it. So I'm not going to put a sauce on it. I'm just going to pan fry it, and then I'm going to put it next to some, I'm going to pair it with some broccoli. That's what I want to do. Pair it with some steamed broccoli. Alright, so now you want to get your pan extremely hot. So you're going to put oil in here, olive oil, vegetable oil. You're going to put oil. And what you're going to do here is you're going to put it skin side down. Now, let me not forget to tell you that you want to wash your salmon, and you want to pat it dry. So you want to make sure you do that. I did do that. I did that off camera. So before you season it, that's what you're going to do. But you're going to make sure it's dry. And the reason why is because you're going to fry the skin side down. Now, if you're going to keep the skin on it, then you want your skin a little bit crispy. Now, if you want your skin off, the best way to do that is to fry it with the skin on first. The skin is easier to take off once it's cooked on there. And the skin also aids in helping you to prevent overcooking your fish. So, alright, skin does serve a purpose. If you don't like to eat it, it still does. Alright, so this is easy. It's going to be about 5 minutes on that skin side down. So it depends on how thick your salmon is too. So it's going to be about 5 minutes. So you're going to flip it over. You're going to press it down a little bit. It's going to be like 2 extra minutes on the other side. Now, if you got a thicker salmon patty, the thicker piece of salmon, I'm sorry, if you got a thicker cut, then what you're going to do is you're going to let yours cook for a couple of extra minutes. Okay? Very easy recipe, so good. You can pair this with pasta, rice, veggies. You can eat it by itself if you're a salmon lover. So, well, I'm just saying. So easy, everybody. Look at that. I did put a little bit of seasoning on that skin because I love my skin and I wanted it crispy. So I'm just saying, y'all, ooh-wee, you got to make this one for sure. No doubt, you gotta make this one. It's too easy, too quick, and very, very quick, especially if you're busy. So lately, these days, I've been pretty busy, and mostly everybody I know been pretty busy. So if that's the case, then this is an easy recipe for you. Now, if you want to put a garlic butter sauce on it, you want to put some other type of sauce that you make, you can think of, by all means, do it. Your kitchen, your rules. So, yeah. But normally, if I was pairing it with a pasta or something, then I would put. But today, nah. So, that's my tip of the day. Always buy a seasoning you don't have when you go grocery shopping. So, if you see something up there you don't have in your kitchen, maybe a 5-spice powder, the Chinese 5-spice powder, but actually the Japanese have a 7-spice powder. So try something different sometimes. Try a ranch seasoning if you haven't tried it. But just try something and then give it a shot. If you don't like the seasoning, you can always get rid of it. But that's what I do. Actually, especially Walmart. Walmart, oh, their seasoning section. You got to look. And Ross. If you're going to Ross's, well, check out their seasoning section too. I'm telling you, you'll like it. So, look at the other side of the fish. I flipped mine back over. I wanted my skin a little bit crispier, but don't overcook your salmon. So, careful with that you do not overcook your fish. Because if you do, man, it's over and done with. Alright, I'm going to take it out now, and I'm going to show you what it looks like once I plate it. I did tell y'all I was going to put it next to some steamed broccoli, so I did pair it with that. I'm telling y'all, go make this easy recipe, and y'all know salmon is so good anyway. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. For more great recipes, tips, and ideas, check out some of my other videos.